I'm going to teach you about something that's called the 50% rule. A lot of people always say to me, Mo, every time I buy a stock, it looks really good. My stochastic is looking really good. My candlesticks are looking really good. There's good volume coming into the stock, but it never breaks over a certain level. Why is that? Well, there's something called the 50% rule, and it's very, very common that you see in the stock market. So this is pulling back about 52 weeks, maybe a little bit more. And here you notice that you have a high. And then you come over here and you notice that you have a low. And if you just draw a line straight through exactly where this stock is at, this stock is AT&T, you notice that it cannot break from its low to its high. It goes up about halfway and it pulls back down. It goes up about halfway and it struggles. It's struggling today. It has wicks on it and it comes right back down. So all of this area is called overhang. And it's just negative pressure that is pushing down on the stock. And this is what I call the 50% rule. The stock cannot climb up higher than 50%. So this is what happens. You have a big fall in stock price. Then you'll start to see this trickle down. The people that were up here, they are saying, after they lose a lot of money, they say, if I can just get half of my money back, I will be happy. So the stock rallies up and they sell and they sell and they sell and the stock price falls back down. And the people that were here, they're saying, if I could just get half my money back. So they'll wait. Half their money will come back and they start selling. And I guarantee you I'm going to start seeing a lot of negative volume coming on AT&T. I'll show you another example of this. But this is the 50% rule, and this is so important to notice before you go and buy a stock. Here's CCL. This CCL is one of the most notorious 50% rules out there. Here's your high, pre-COVID. Here's your low. And here's the 50% area, about $32. And all of this is negative pressure fighting on the stock. And you notice it gets up to 32, falls, gets up to 32, falls. It's tried to poke up here even, and it's falling, and now it's just going. But it can rarely get above 32, get above that 50% area. So it's very important to zoom out and see these 50% rules. If you want to get my rules, if you want a mentor and be surrounded with people that you have not been able to trade with before, come and join me in the Bid and Ask Nation. You will get access to me. You'll get access to others. On Saturday, June 4th, I'm going to be doing a chart setup seminar. So this is the Saturday exclusive seminar, but we're going to focus it on chart setup. So if you don't know how to set up charts like this, or you've always wanted to get charts set up the right way, come and join me in the Bid and Ask. You'll also get my Employed Trader series. You'll get the Trading 101 series, which is all of these rules, including the 50% rule, which are, there's so many more pattern recognition rules that you need to know. Bid and Ask community of multiple hundreds of people. It is the place to be. If you want to learn charting, come and join me. Catch you on the flippity flop.